Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. It's been a while. How's everyone doing? Oh my gosh, getting this whole room done has just been crazy. I've tried to post a few shorts here and there, so thank you guys so much for who watched my shorts. It's really nice to see you guys still around because I miss you guys so much and I really miss doing these sort of longer chatting sort of makeup kind of videos, so I'm really happy to be jumping back on that wagon and carrying on doing makeup videos because I miss you guys so much. Okay, so in today's video I thought what would be really nice is to try out a brand, because I haven't done a full face or sort of tried some products out from a brand in a while. So I thought Primark would be a really nice brand to try. So I've picked up an eyeshadow palette, a concealer and a lip crayon. So I'm going to apply these to my face, lips and eyes and let you guys know my thoughts about these. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. If you guys want to know my thoughts on the Primark makeup, just keep watching. Alright guys, let's play with some Primark makeup. So this is the eye look I came up with. So this is with natural lighting. It's a smoky eye with a little bit of diamonds in it. And this is what it looks like with artificial lighting. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. This is the PS Creamy Dream eyeshadow palette. And it has these beautiful shades in it. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's got 4 mattes and the rest are shimmers. It's more like a cool toned palette, but it doesn't come with a mirror and this does retail for £3.50. I've already prepped my lid, so I'm going to start with this grey toned colour on a fluffy brush and I'm going to work this in the crease area. Right, I'm now going to take this darker charcoal colour. It's not fully black, but it's like a charcoal colour on a little angled fluffy packing brush. And I'm just going to start packing this on the outer corner, but I'm going to bring it quite high. Going back in with the first grey colour, I'm just going to start blending that darker colour out. Taking this sort of like a cream colour eyeshadow on a big fluffy brush, just going to start buffing out the edges, smoothing everything out and buffing it out. I'm also going to go back in with that darker colour as well, just to get the intensity that I want. Okay, going in with this shimmering, it's like a black colour, like a really sparkly black colour. I'm just going to take this on a flat brush. I'm pretty much just going to add this on top where the black was. So I'm just going to bring it halfway across. Super pigmented colour. Kind of reminds me like an oil slick kind of colour. Well, there was an Urban Decay eyeshadow called Oil Slick and that's what it reminded me of. I think it was called that anyway. Right, I'm going to run that grey now, that first grey colour under the lower lash line. Just to add a bit more smoke. Right, I'm going to take the champagne colour now, right in the middle on a flat brush, and I'm going to apply this in the sort of halfway on the lid and on the brow bone. I'm going to go in this bright pink colour now. I'm just going to use my finger and I'm going to apply this in the inner corner of my eye. Alright guys, I've done my false lashes and little diamonds off camera. So these are what the eyes are looking like. Okay, now I have a concealer to test. I've already done my foundation off camera. So this concealer here, this is the Illuminate Under Eye Concealer with vitamin E and jojoba oil. And I'm in the shade Cashew. So this is what it looks like. I managed to get it on the sale as well for £2. It sort of reminds me of the Maybelline concealer, the one with the sponge at the end. Just gonna start twisting this up. They did have a lighter shade, but honestly, it would have just been too pale for me, so I think this is perfect. Just going to take my itty bitty sponge, my little one, I'm just gonna start blending this out. Alright, it has got some decent coverage. I'm not mad at it. I'll bring it closer. You guys can see. Honestly, you can still see a little bit of my darkness, but it's very reflective and brightening. Honestly, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at this at all, actually. It's very brightening, doesn't feel heavy on the skin. I think it's quite nice. It's quite a decent concealer. Quite like it, actually. This was a really good find. Last but not least, guys, I'm going to try a lip crayon. This is the PS Sweet Cream Lip Crayon, sorry. And I picked up the shade... Oh, it just says brown. This is what it looks like. This is what the colour looks like, right up my street. They did have a pinky version, but personally, I prefer the brown tone version. Personally, so just go look at my mirror. Oh, and it retailed for £2 as well. This is really nice, guys. This is very comfortable on the lips. It glided on really nicely. You can even use this tip as a lip liner as well. It's coming across like a brown, but a hint of mauve in it. I'll zoom it closer so you can see. See, this is the colour. It's a very nice colour. It's definitely a mauvey toned brown colour. Is it going to be long lasting? Not really, but is it comfortable? Very comfortable. It doesn't feel like it's going to slip and slide everywhere. So it's really, really nice. I just wish, no, it doesn't. I was just seeing if it comes with like a little sharpener, so you could just sharpen it so it could be pointy again, but it's not, unfortunately. It doesn't come with one. Very comfortable and very nice on the lips. I like it. Really, really nice. Oh, I forgot to talk about the eyeshadow palette. Now, this eyeshadow palette's really nice. Now, at first with the dark colours, I was a little bit skeptical because I thought, oh, they're going to be patchy, uneven when I was testing the darker colours. Turns out when I retried it again and when I tested it out on my skin, it turns out it was absolutely fine. So I don't know what was going on there. I don't know why the first time I tried it, it was very patchy and uneven. But it turns out it was fine. And yeah, if this is your colour story, I think you would like this. It's a beautiful, cool toned palette. You can create a smoky look like this, or you can create something very neutral. It's only £3.50 as well, so it's under a £5. And yeah, I think the eyeshadow is blended really, really well. So yeah, I think this is a very cute little eyeshadow palette. Unfortunately, there is no mirror with it, mind you, so you will have to bring your own. But nonetheless, it's a cool little palette. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. You have a great day, you stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.